Welcome back, survey enthusiasts. Are you tired of spending time on survey apps without earning much? Well, it's time to change that. In today's video, we will guide you through some fantastic tips and tricks to help you maximize your earnings on survey apps. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Choose the right survey apps. The first step to maximizing your earnings on survey apps is to choose the right ones to work with. There are countless survey apps out there, but not all of them are created equal. Look for reputable apps that have positive reviews and a good track record for paying out rewards. This will ensure that your time and effort won't go to waste. It's also helpful to focus on niche survey apps that cater to your interests or demographics. These targeted surveys often pay better and are more tailored to your preferences. So, don't miss out on the opportunity to earn some extra cash while sharing your opinions on topics you genuinely care about. Complete surveys efficiently. Once you've found the right survey apps to work with, it's time to start completing surveys efficiently. Survey opportunities can be limited, so it's essential to make the most out of each one. Set aside dedicated time for taking surveys, preferably when you can focus without distractions. When answering questions, be honest and thoughtful. Survey providers often look for consistency in responses, so try to avoid contradicting yourself. Additionally, make sure to read the instructions carefully and provide detailed answers when necessary. This will increase your chances of qualifying for higher-paying surveys. Take advantage of referral programs. Here's a great way to boost your earnings even further: take advantage of referral programs. Many survey apps offer referral bonuses, where you can earn extra cash or rewards by inviting friends and family to join. Share your referral codes or links on social media, and you'll be surprised how quickly your earnings can grow. Remember, the more people you refer, the more you'll earn. So, spread the word and watch your earnings soar. Tip number 4. Be consistent and persistent. Maximizing your earnings on survey apps requires consistency and persistence. Don't get discouraged if you encounter surveys that you don't qualify for or if the payout seems small at first. Keep at it. Over time, the rewards will add up, especially if you follow the previous tips we've provided. So, make taking surveys a part of your routine, and you'll be on your way to maximizing your earnings in no time. Tip number 5. Cash out wisely and stay organized. Last but not least, cashing out your earnings wisely and staying organized is crucial. Some survey apps offer various payout options, such as PayPal, gift cards, or direct deposits. Choose whichever option suits you best and cash out once you've reached the minimum threshold or whenever it's convenient for you. Don't forget to keep track of your earnings and rewards from different survey apps. This will help you understand which apps are the most profitable for you and ensure that you don't miss out on any rewards that expire. Congratulations! You're now equipped with valuable tips and tricks to maximize your earnings on survey apps. Remember to choose the right survey apps, complete surveys efficiently, take advantage of referral programs, be consistent and persistent, and cash out wisely. With these strategies in your arsenal, you'll be earning more than ever before. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Happy surveying!